Hi guys, my name is JL Austria. For today's video, we will visit one of the most famous camp here in Kuwait. This is the governmental camp Ministry of Defense that opens annually in winter season. It's open for all people for free once the visitors are using the public properties and services. It's located in the desert far away around 20 kilometers south of Kuwait City, the capital. Today I'm riding their costume train. It's not free, you have to pay 5 dinars. You'll get the most out of what you pay, because they'll take you around the entire camp defense area while watching the beautiful sunset on the east side of Kuwait. This place for military soldiers, police, and their family, just to be clear. If anyone like to hop in this fun for families, just ask your family member or friends which is in the army to book and cozy tent and spend the time with your loved ones. Amazing place, don't miss it. Open season from November to March yearly only. It is very beautiful to watch the sunset in the eastern part of Kuwait. This place is far from stress. You will enjoy while you tour this whole area. This place is very cold, so you should wear thick clothes so that you don't get cold. And you can enjoy your visit here. Just stay there guys, because I'm going to tour you here in this place. This place have cafes like Starbucks, small supermarket, restaurant, and playground for kids. Wish you all to have blessed stay in here. This place is very wide. They have different kinds of activities here, like horseback riding. They also have a kalesa, or kalesa is a two-wheeled or four-wheeled horse, a drawn carriage usually used in the Philippines during Spanish colonial era in the Philippines. It is commonly vividly painted and decorated. It was a primary mode of public and private transportation during the Spanish colonial era of the Philippines, although in modern times, they largely only survive as tourist attractions. Basketball is one of the activities you can play here. You only pay 1 dinar. You can play and win their prize like I am doing now. This is the stuffed toy that I won. They usually give prizes here, depending on how many ball that you shoot in the basket while playing basketball. The 1 dinar that I paid was very worth it. This is their playground. The space of their playground is wide and big. You have many choices here, and I'm sure your kids gonna love it here. If you want to play here, you only need to pay for KD for 1 kid, and you gonna all have an access to play here including all the rides here. If you feel bored, they also offer here the bike for rent. You only need to pay to KD good for 1 hour. But before you can rent their bike, you have to show them your civil identification card because that's what they require as collateral. You can tour the whole area with the bicycle you rented. and you can enjoy the night view of this place without any hassle. You can enjoy the place while riding the bicycle here. This bicycle that I rented can accommodate two person. You can enjoy riding a bicycle together with your loved ones or friends. This is where you can find their restaurants. There are many food carts displayed here, and you have many choices of delicious food here to find. This place is very cold, so we decided to find a place to buy coffee, to reduce the coldness that we feel. We found a store where we can buy coffee. The coffee they have here is delicious. The price of their coffee depends on the type of coffee you want. The one I bought is a coffee latte. The price is 1.75 OKD for a cup. We decided to stay here for a while at the coffee shop, while we're drinking this delicious coffee that we bought here at their coffee shop. After we finished our coffee, we went for a walk to reduce the cold we felt and to find a place to buy food because it's dinner time here. We finally found a place where we can buy food for our dinner. We sat here while waiting for the food we ordered to be served. I looked at their menu and their prices are a bit expensive, but it's okay because their food here is delicious. The price of their food here starts from 2.50 OKD per order up to 5 KD, depending on the food you order. We also tried to find Filipino food, but we couldn't find any Filipino restaurants here. I ordered American beef hamburger with mushroom toppings, while my friends ordered spicy chicken wings with cheesy French fries. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do subscribe and click the notification bell for more travel tours video. These are the pictures I took here in this place for remembrance. God bless and baboosh everyone. Thank you for watching. See you on my next travel vlog.